and welcome to the Batch Lady, where today I am showing you my version of Turkish kebabs. Absolutely delicious. So on the Batch Lady channel, I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. And this recipe is a perfect, what we call dump bag recipe. You're going to make it, put all the ingredients together into a bag, get it in your freezer, and it means whenever you want it, if it's a lovely sunny day for a barbecue, if you come in and you fancy, a kebab and pita bread or that, then it is all, you don't have to get all these ingredients out. Everything you need is in the bag. It's all been marinating. All you need to do with this recipe is put it on skewers, cook it for 7 minutes. Absolutely delicious, easy meal. Let's get going. Okay, so you're going to need 4 chicken breasts already chopped up. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3 teaspoons of your chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of your oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. That's it. Okay, let's get batching. Right, I've got 3 chicken breasts already chopped up. I'm chopping them into chunks that look like this. So I'm just going to chop this final one up. You want to make them about all the same because you want them to be able to be chunky enough that you're going to put them on a skewer, okay, later on. So just have a think as you cut them how you want them. Little squares, little cubes are good. Okay, once your chicken is chopped in the bowl, you can start to add your other ingredients, okay? So we want half a cup of yogurt going in. Move it to the side. We want 2 tablespoons, of tomato puree. 1, that was quite a small one, so I'll do a bigger one the next time. 2. What I love about things like this for the barbecue is if you've got it all in the freezer, then when the day comes that it's absolutely beautiful and sunny, you don't need to go near the supermarkets, which are heaving with people trying to grab all the barbecue stuff. Yours is already marinated, already done, and actually making it yourself is so much cheaper, especially if you're going to make, say, maybe 2 or 3 bags of this, then you're using all the stuff you've already bought. Perfect. Okay, chopped garlic. We need a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Sorry, 3 teaspoons of chopped garlic, my mistake. Or 3 cloves if you're not using already chopped, okay? 1 tablespoon of oregano. And then 1 teaspoon of cumin. My teaspoon. See if I can get this into a teaspoon. Take the top off. And 1 tablespoon of paprika. Bit much there. Right, we've used all our ingredients. I find the best thing to do is just get your hands in there and start mixing around. You want all of those spices and yogurt and the garlic to go through all the chicken. Make sure it's completely coated. This is why it's best to do it in the bowl because it's too hard to do if you actually put it into the bag. Then I'm just going to wash my hands and come back and pour it into the bag. Okay, so let's just pour it into the bag now. And then you can just use a little sort of silicone spoon if you want to get the rest of the marinade out. And just add it to the bag. Now, you just want to seal that up. Sorry, you can hear my tap because I've been washing my hands so much. You want to seal it up, get it in your freezer. When you want to use it, like I say, take it out the night before or the morning of. You can always use the cold water method to defrost it. Take it out. Once it's defrosted, you are just putting it onto skewers, 7 minutes on the barbecue, or you can put it in the oven and you have amazing, lovely, tender, beautifully tasting Turkish kebabs. Why not give them a go? Thanks for watching The Batch Lady. Remember, you can follow me on Facebook or Instagram on @The Batch Lady. Take care. Bye.